Graphic design is evolving, and artificial intelligence is playing a huge role in shaping the future of this creative field. But what exactly does AI bring to the table for designers? Today, we're breaking down the must-know AI tools that every graphic designer should have in their toolkit. From automating tedious tasks to unlocking creativity, AI is here to transform the way you work. Let's dive into some of the top AI-powered graphic design tools you should know. First on our list is Canva. While Canva is already popular among designers and non-designers alike, its AI-powered features make it even better. With tools like Magic Resize, you can instantly adjust the size of your design for multiple platforms. And then there's the AI-powered background remover, perfect for clean cutouts without any hassle. Adobe has always been at the forefront of design technology, and now with Adobe Sensei, their AI engine, the creative possibilities are endless. It helps in automating repetitive tasks, enhancing images, and even suggesting design layouts. In tools like Photoshop, Sensei powers features like Content-Aware Fill, which allows you to remove objects from images and seamlessly fill the gaps. For designers working with video and visual effects, Runway ML is a game changer. This AI tool allows you to create animations, transform video content, and even generate entire scenes using machine learning. The best part? You don't need to be a coding expert to use it. Ever wanted to turn a photo into a painting or a specific artistic style? With deepart.io, you can transform any image into artwork in the style of famous artists like Van Gogh or Picasso, all thanks to AI-powered neural networks. Tired of low-resolution images? Let's enhance users' AI to upscale images without losing quality. Whether you're working on web projects or print materials, this tool can take your visuals to the next level. Choosing the right color palette can make or break your design. Chroma is an AI tool that helps you generate color schemes based on your preferences and trends. It learns your style and curates color palettes that fit your brand, project, or creative needs. And finally, tools like DALL-E and Midjourney allow you to generate stunning visual art just by inputting text prompts. These AI image generators are redefining creativity, allowing designers to experiment with surreal concepts, mood boards, and even final product visuals in just a few clicks. AI is revolutionizing the world of graphic design, helping professionals focus more on creativity and less on repetitive tasks. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, these AI tools will help you work smarter, faster, and more creatively. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments which AI tools you're excited to try. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more design tips and insights.